Alright guys, second time trying to make this video. My camera's full of storage. This is why I use my camera, because of these things. So we're going to be working on the lower back today. I'm going to add some weight to it and do a compound movement with it, and that's just going to activate more of the lower spine when it comes to different movements involved throughout the daily activities, and that's just good. It's going to help you strengthen that, especially in those different variations of movements when the lower spine is being contracted. So let's go ahead, hop into it. Take your time with these. Do not rush it. Put weight on. Be nice and control when it comes to these movements, especially for your lower back. You do not want to hurt yourself. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. This is my third or fourth set into it, so I just completed my workout. I locked myself out of my truck, so for the next hour, I'm going to eat my snacks. I ate 2 of these. They're about 400 calories a cookie. I believe so. Yeah, 440 calories a cookie. So, this is my second one. Good. That's going to end the video. I know it's short, but I need to buy a camera for my charger. I need to buy a charger for my camera, but I went to the store and they say they don't have them, so I gotta find them online. And that's the reason why I missed out on last weekend's YouTube video. It's because of that reason. So I just had to put something out. But I decided to do my thing. Thanks guys for watching. Peace out.